Okay, so today I'm going to be making a resin planner book. So if you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments.
Colors blend and swirl, imagination in the air. Hands that shape the world, art is everywhere. Pour the liquid gold, watch it set like stone. Creativity unfolds, we make the magic our own. Resin dreams take flight, shining in the light. Every piece unique, artistic streak. Brush strokes and molds, passion takes control. Vision turning bold, crafted for the soul. Every mistake's a treasure, each flaw a new pleasure. Art isn't about perfection, it's all about the expression. Pour the liquid gold, watch it set like stone. Creativity unfolds, we make the magic our own. Resin dreams take flight, shining in the light. Every piece unique, artistic streak.
Okay, so it's the next day and I'm going to go ahead and demold these. I want to make sure I get that hole either drilled or I can maybe use my blade to go in there, because actually it happened to both of the top ones for some reason. And I'm going to cut off any excess with my scissor real quick. But these are pretty thin, so I'm going to have to let it sit for a day or so before doing anything really with these. I will top coat it. There we go.
Fulfillment like a dream. We are a team.
Use my little tool here to press that down, get the bubbles out, hopefully. Let's just do this offset about here. I'll put this about right here. Okay, so I have cut out some little animals and stuff on my Cricut, so I'm going to go ahead and add those to here as well. Alright. So basically what I did here is I taped the bottom of these and then I added glue, just regular school glue, in order to make sure that the resin doesn't go in those holes, and then I will take that off after I add my resin top coat. Transfer on here. Yes, there we go. Perfect. I think she's gonna like that. I have some animals. I just want to add maybe a couple. A deer. That's perfect. Okay. There we go. Okay, so that's it for the Cricut. So now what I'm basically going to do is I'm going to just give this a top coat of resin, and then I will remove the glue and the tape from the back, and we'll see how it turns out. Okay, so I have taken the glue out of the middle areas here, and I use my deburring tool to make them as round as possible. And I took the tape off of the back of both of these. So now I'm ready to put this together, and I have bought a little daily plan papers to put in there. So that has, on one side it has all the hours in the day and priorities, to-do list, water, and notes on the back. So I'm just gonna line these up and put the little clasps on there to put this together. So here's the final book, and I really do love how it came out. I hope you do too. So here is the inside, and then you have the daily plan sheets, and the back cover, just some more little animals and another scene, and then the back is just plain. So thank you so much for watching, everybody. I really do appreciate it, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.